Hi everybody, this is Ashley with Marshflower Studio. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this star. You can use it as an applique. I've used quite a few of these actually in different colors on baby blankets with some softer colors like some light blues, some light yellows, some whites, and they just look really cute and adorable. Very sweet. And I'll take regular sewing thread and sew those to the blanket so that you don't see any of like a yarn color from sewing on the blanket's underneath side. So I'll use regular sewing thread to attach my appliques. This is a very easy star. We'll get started. We do a magic circle. I'm going to put my yarn in my bowl here so it doesn't roll away from me. So I've got my 4mm hook, because this is one I consider keychain size. In our magic circle, we are going to do a chain 2, and then we're going to do 2 double crochets. And we're going to do chain 2, and then we're going to do 3 double crochets. So we have 2 sections here. So we're going to get to where we have 5 sections. So I'm going to do another chain 2 and then 3 more double crochets into the magic circle here. Chain 2, 3 more double crochets. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. I'm going to do 1 more section, so chain 2 and 3 more double crochets, and that will be our first row here. So I'm going to do 2 more chains. I'm going to close up my magic circle. I'm going to attach this chain 2 to that original kind of chain 2 that makes this first kind of post from this first section. So I'm just going to do a little slip stitch in there to pull that together. Oop. There we go. So we have 5 sections and we have a little hole kind of in each corner. So we're going to do chain 6, and then we're going to skip this first chain that's right here at the hook. We'll go into the second one and do a single crochet. In the next chain, we'll do a half double. In the third, we're going to do a double. And then in the last 2 chains, we're going to do trebles. So I'm going to yarn over twice, go through that chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2. So yarn over twice, down through that next chain, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. And then we're going to do a slip stitch into this like chain 2 space from the row below. So just a slip stitch there, and that attaches this point of our star. So that's what we're going to do all the way around. Chain 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip the first chain. In the second chain, we're going to do a single crochet, then a half double, then a double, whoops, and then 2 trebles. And then I'll slip stitch into this next chain 2 space. Okay, nice and easy. Do that all the way around. 2, 4, 5, 6. Single, half double, double, treble, treble, and attach. So pretty straightforward, and you end up with a very pretty kind of star. It's got a really nice shape. For this one, I have done 2, and then I slip stitched them together. And that just makes it a little bit more sturdy if you're not going to be sewing it onto something. This will get turned into a keychain, like a lot of my little projects do. And also with these, I have done this with a couple different kiddos. So I work with kiddos a lot and different things. Because this is a little bit wider here, where these kind of points of the star meet the body of the star, I'll have kids, or you can do adults too, I'll have them on a little piece of paper write down a wish, kind of like you're wishing upon a star. And then we'll fold it up and we'll tuck it inside so they can carry their wish in their star on their backpack, or put it on a purse, anything like that, a zipper pull. And then they've always got it, keeping it around. So that is our little star. Very simple and easy to make. So yeah, make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you like the video, subscribe so you can see other videos that I make. If you have any requests for future videos, pop those in the comments. I'd be happy to work on them. If you have any suggestions or anything else, let me know and I'll get to it. See you guys next time.